Right. There we go. Hi, everybody. Are you there? There you are. Okay. So it's Jackie. Hello. And my friend here from Chakralife is here also. And we're going to connect again. And that's the thing to do in these times, is to just keep connecting, just keeping our energy and our vibration going. You know, we had that meditation last week, and it was on Facebook. I didn't save it. I should have had it for you today. It would have been good. But I didn't. It's on Facebook if you can get it. And it showed the earth, the resonance on the planet, on the heart energy when we were all meditating, and it was enormous. And that's what we need to really barrel through all of this and to get through these times really, really well. So, you know, I talked about it before, that in end times, we usually have some kind of massive disturbance to the life forms on the planet before transition comes. And one of the things that it does is it does raise the consciousness of those who need their consciousness raised, right? Of humanity. So I want us to focus on that today. And we were working on the workshop all day today, on the webinar that's coming up on April 18th. And it's really fun because we're going to be doing that all day. And then at the end of it, I will finish up in time, because Lady Gaga has a benefit that she is getting everyone together. She's not a producer or anything. She calls herself I don't know, some kind of coordinator. I can't remember what she called herself. But anyway, there's going to be, you know, all kinds of great people there contributing their time and their energy. And again, bringing energy to the planet in another way, in a different way, but still all coming together. So we'll get done in time. That's a great way. That's going to finish up and end up the workshop. So that is just the kind of stuff we need, you know? So we want to work on self-love as well. We're working on that. And of course, the workshop is about the ascendance process, you know, what we go through and how we have to ascend and all of that. So, but we want to bring love into the planet. We want to do our job. Our job as the star children is to bring the light into the planet, to be the little Johnny light seeds that I love to call us, you know, because we are the ones that bring that energy from heaven all the way down through the planet to the mother, into the grid, and just light it all up so that everything within the existence of the planet is just filled with that love. So that's what we want to do. So let's do it right now. Let's do it together right now. So I want you to get yourself comfortable and just get your feet on the floor. Good. And you're going to visualize a light that's golden, rich, gold light. It's warm, it's comforting, it's safe. And I want you to bring that in through the top of your head and all the way down through your body. And bring that light all the way down out your feet and into the earth, right into the earth. And the mother welcomes you because you are her honored guest. And she welcomes you because you are that fulcrum of energy, that tether of light that connects heaven and earth. And you bring now that light through your feet all the way into the grid system of the planet. And you let your light fill that grid system, because the more light, this golden light, is the grease that helps us get through this transition smoothly. And it's been a little rough lately, so let's get a lot of juice in there, a lot of light in there. And just let it build and build. And feel that warmth and feel the love and feel the connectedness. Just let that light flow through you. Good. And it makes you feel safe, strong, and helping. Good. It's still going. So we're going to let it keep going. Good. We are all hungry for love. We all need that love. And in the webinar, we're going to focus a lot on bringing that love into ourselves and filling all those parts of ourselves that need nurturing. And we're human beings, so we all need nurturing. So you can do that just that simply every day. If you could do it 2 times a day, that'd be great. But if you could do it once a day, that would be wonderful too. And what that will do is it will help us so that we don't feel sad or judgmental or angry about some of the folks out there that have been making this a little more difficult to go through this pandemic. And we have to understand that they don't have enough love for themselves to share any love or compassion for you. And that's a very sad, sad, sad thing. So it's our job as the light workers to share that love, to be that love, right? So we have our jobs. This is why we came here. This is what we're doing together. And I love having these times with you. I'm going to do them on a weekly basis. I might not get it right on the date. Like I think it was the 1st and now it's the 8th, but we're close. We're going to get there. We're going to do it every week. So let me turn it over to my buddy here. Patrick, do you have anything to say?
I'm going to try to get on. My camera's not working. Anyway,
Okay.
I just want to make sure everybody pays attention to staying well. Make sure that you follow the guidelines of wellness.
This is your camera right there.
And I know I just hit it and then nothing's happening.
Oh.
And I'll have my camera working the next time, hopefully. But stay conscious. Make sure that if you meditate every day. Do something that brings your mind out of the worldly distractions. Focus your attention on if you work a jigsaw puzzle or weave a basket or just go into some meditative practice that allows you to focus and just periodically close your eyes and send love. Maintain your consciousness.
Okay. Thank you. All right, guys. You got your job. You know what you're supposed to do. Let's all get this done. All right. I love you. And I hope to talk to you soon. Well, I will talk to you soon next week. All right. Love you. Bye-bye.